Start by applying 2 coats of the color black. Take your cat tie gel polish and apply a thin layer on the nail, but don't cure the nail before you use the magnet. Apply the flower nail sticker randomly and press down firmly on the nail before applying matte top coat on the nail. I have mixed top coat with builder gel to get a firmer gel when I apply the contour around the nail. When you are done, cure the nail for 60 seconds. Apply the gold nail chrome on the nail and finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure the nail. Now, the video only runs with music, and I'll show you again how to do it. One garden, many designs.